Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can boost your FPS in Apex Legends, how you can fix your FPS drops, lagging, stuttering, and freezing in Season 24. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you in-game settings, and then I will show you Windows settings. And the best part of it, you don't need to download any of the FPS boost packs. I will show you everything on your PC settings, right? So first of all, display mode, select full screen because it's most efficient way. And also with the DX12 now, you can minimize it and go to the other screen and it will work normally. It do not minimize, right? Then your native resolution and aspect ratio, native one if you're playing normally. If you're playing stretched, select your resolution here as well. Then here VSync is always disabled. If you're getting screen tears, then enable it. Then Nvidia Reflex enable plus boost, anti-aliasing TSAA, texture streaming budget none, texture filtering bilinear, ambient exclusion quality it's low or medium, and then everything here it's off or low or disabled, right? And apply the changes, and do not worry about the graphics. It's for the competitive play and for maximum amount of FPS, these settings is completely good. Even pros is playing with these low settings. And on Windows settings, always make sure that your operating system is up to date. I'm pretty sure you know that. And your GPU always is up to date. I'm using Nvidia, so I can go to drivers and update drivers very fast here. Next thing, before you play the game, always open up Task Manager, then sort it out by CPU or GPU heavy tasks, and end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game. Also with the startup apps, disable all the apps, just leave that you maybe frequently use, because when your computer boots up with these apps enabled, your computer resources will be used. So keep in mind that and disable all the things that you probably do not use, right? Then if you play the game with Discord open and when you chat with your friends or teammates, what I suggest to do here is to open up Discord, press on the gear icon, then go to advanced, and then here a hardware acceleration, make sure this option is disabled, right? Then if you use Nvidia GPU, what I suggest to do here is to press on the blank space here, show more options, Nvidia control panel, and then here we need to tweak a few things. So the first one is change resolution. Make sure native resolution is selected, your right monitor selected as well where you play. Refresh rate, make sure it's maximum amount selected as well. And then go to configure surround X and 5X. Make sure processor is your dedicated GPU. Go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see G-Sync monitor technology. Make sure it's fixed refresh or G-Sync compatible. Then OpenGL GDI compatibility, make sure it's prefer maximum performance. Then OpenGL rendering GPU, make sure you are dedicated GPU. Power management mode, make sure it's prefer performance. Preferred refresh rate, make sure it's highest available. Texture filtering and isotropic options, sample options is on. Then texture filtering quality, super important here, make sure it's a high performance. Texture filtering trilinear optimization, make sure it's on with threaded optimization as well. Vertical sync, make sure it's off. Virtual reality pre-rendered frames, make sure it's on too. Apply the changes, then go to settings. On settings, gaming, game bar off, then press on gaming, game mode, make sure it's on. Next thing what we need to do here, you need to open up a client where your game is installed. For me it's EA, it can be Steam, it really doesn't matter, same process. Go to library, 3 dots, view properties, open folder. And then you need to find 2 exe files. First one is r5 apex.exe and r5 dx12. Right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, apply OK. Same thing with R5 Apex, DX12, show more options, properties, disable full screen optimizations, and then do the same here. And then apply the changes. And once you're on this window here, go to the folder directory, copy the path, and then you can close this window. Then go to graphics settings. On graphic settings, make sure advanced graphic settings is selected, and then expand this option, and then hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then select add a desktop app, and then add these two files, R5exe and R5dx12. I already added, so for me, as you can see here, it's here. So expand option, make sure high performance is selected on both of them, and also optimizations for windowed games is selected as well. Then you can close this, then press on search and write edit power plan. On power plan, then you need to just select power options, and then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not available for you, select high performance. And then what you need to do here is to look for view advanced system settings. On view advanced system settings, be on advanced tab, and then go to settings under the performance, select custom here, and then just have these three options: save taskbar, show thumbnails, and smooth edges. Then go to a performance settings, advanced, virtual memory, deselect this option, select the disk where your game is installed, open up system information. On system information, you need to know how much RAM do you have on your machine. For me, as you can see here, it's 16 gigabytes. So you need to pull out your calculator. Don't worry, it's super easy. You just need to put value of your RAM times 1024 times 1.5. And the number that you get here, you need to put to a initial size. So let's put it here, 24,576. And then on maximum size, you need to put your RAM value times 1024 times 3. And then the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum size. And then apply the changes, right? And then what you need to do here is to go on search, system configuration. And then on this window, you need to look for services, hide all Microsoft services, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play Apex Legends, and then click apply on OK. And next thing what we need to do here is to write run, or just write, just press Windows and I key, and then on this new window here you need to write %temp% and delete all the temporary files that is available here. Some files cannot be deleted, so don't worry about it, but just delete the files that your PC lets you to do that, right? Just cancel what is left, then go to storage settings, and also from storage settings delete temporary files as well. Just leave downloads, right? And recycle bin if you want. And then the next step what you need to do here is to launch Apex Legends, open up Task Manager. I will show you with probably Steam, because it's more convenient for me, but it should be Apex Legends. Right click on it, go to details, then it should be R5exe, right click again, set priority, and then set to high. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.